happened to the price of crude oil this week? Oh my God. Well, let me start by telling you that the great state of Texas took a hit with one of the biggest, largest, once in a lifetime ice and snowstorms in the history of the state of Texas. Crude oil was close to $62 a barrel leading up to Monday while the market was closed. The energy stocks took a massive hit, a deep freeze causing a shutdown of the power grid and the electrical grid. Nobody could get anything done in the state of Texas. They've never seen a storm like this before. And as you know, most of the energy and oil drilling companies are located in the great state of Texas. This is not good. As you can tell, the market has reacted. Crude oil dropping under $59 a barrel just yesterday. The energy stocks across the board taking a massive hit. And not to mention, to kick us while we're down, OPEC plans on ending the cuts of producing crude oil starting March 1st. The Saudis also kicking us while they're down in talks of ramping up production. What that means for us is the U.S. has been producing their own crude oil, and we have been seeing massive draws. This actually was one of the biggest weeks. API report showing a 5.8 million barrel draw. The EIA report showing a 8.3, I believe, million barrel draw, which is the biggest draw we've had arguably over the past, I want to say, 6 to 8 months. This could significantly cause a price issue if the Russians and the Saudis start unloading crude oil into the open market. It's already a very touchy market because, with COVID restrictions still in place in some states, people aren't driving as much. Airline travel isn't really happening as much. Nobody's going on cruises. So that demand for crude oil is very touchy. And unfortunately, if the Saudis, the Russians, and some of these other mass oil producing countries dump crude oil into the open market, there's going to be a massive supply of it where there won't be as much of a demand. And that in turn could significantly drive the price of crude down. We've seen a massive increase in price over the past month. And, if they do this, this is not going to be good for the energy sector. Texas is recovering. A couple of the folks that own some of these energy producing companies have stated that they will be back in business by today, Friday, or Monday at the latest. As you know, every reaction in the market is an overreaction. Obviously, these energy stocks took a huge hit. Even today at the open, they're already starting to recover back to where they were. But as you know, it's a crazy, volatile market. And I believe we'll see crude oil back to the $61 range by the end of next week. So I wouldn't worry too much. It's just what's going to happen March 1st. When OPEC stops their cuts to producing crude oil, we're going to see what happens. So keep your eyes tuned in, and above all else, enjoy your dinner. Take care, guys. Have a great day.